Today I'm upgrading to the Wave Mic Arm Pro. Let me show you my reasons. So I currently have this boom mic arm, and while it does the job, there's a few issues with it. Since I upgraded my mic to the RØDE PodMic, it weighs about 900 grams, and you can see the boom arm slowly drops, so you have to constantly adjust. I can't rotate it all the way because it hits off my monitors, and it's right in my eye line, so my view of the monitors is blocked. Okay, so installation complete, and as you can see, it's nice and smooth moving. You've got the gas spring inside this part, so you've got a nice suspension. If you want to lift it up, it's easy to adjust. You can see now the issues I had before. My eyesight isn't blocked when I'm using the mic, so I can see the screens clearly. I'm not hitting into anything else on my desk. I've got all this free movement now. And one of the main issues is I can lift it up, I can leave it if I wanted it there, and it's not going to fall, it's not going to drop. Cables are nicely hidden. You've got this magnetic cable tray here to hide the cables. Very nice. There you go, it snaps on. That's it, problem solved.